Oh my goodness. Big old jack. I mean, a big jack. Oh my gosh, that's a giant jack. Wow. Oh, no, no, no. No, it's a snook. It's a snook. It's a snook. Oh God. Come back around, come back. Yes! Yes, that's a big one. Yes, that's a big one. The biggest one I've caught all year. Yes, look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Look at that thing, guys. Oh my goodness, that's a giant. Oh my goodness, that is a giant. Wow. Oh my goodness, that's a big one. That's a 35-incher right there. Oh my goodness. That's what I'm out here looking for, baby. Look at that thing, y'all. And I gotta go up here to the bank and take a few pictures of it. I thought it was a jack for sure. The way that fish took off. That's an all day right there, 30-something incher. Longer than my dang. That's a 34-inch toad. Look at that thing, y'all. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Oh my goodness. A beauty. A beauty. Look at that thing. 34-inch snook on that. On that Zoom Super Fluke, baby. Oh, she crushed it too. I wish I had that on camera, but she absolutely crushed it. All right, now look at this stud. 34-incher, just a stud fish. Look at this thing. Absolute stud, beautiful snook. Oh, what a fish. What a fish. I'm gonna turn her loose now. Ready? Alright guys, finally caught a big one. 34-incher on that old Zoom Super Fluke. When she hit it, I could have swore I had a big jack, a really big jack. Just the way she took off, and that first big run, I thought it was a jack for sure. Thankfully it wasn't. Big snook. Yes.